Hi everyone, my name is Michael Asari. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create a video conference, how to create a live lecture using either the big blue button or Google Meet. Let's get to it. So we will turn our editing on, and then we'll scroll down to where we want the lecture. So let's put it somewhere here. Let's click on Add Activity or Resource. Let's add the big blue button first, and you should have big blue button and Google Meet integrated before you can add those two video conferencing activities. So let's click on big blue button, and then the instant type is room activity with recordings. So this will be recorded automatically for us. So let's call this live lecture 1. Okay, we want to notify our students and we want to welcome them. We can have a welcome message that you are all welcome to the live lecture 1. Now, if you click on this, if you select this option, then what you are saying is that the students cannot join the class until you have joined. So they'll have to wait for the moderator or the teacher before they can all join the class. Okay, and then you are saying session can be recorded if you choose this. And if you select this option, you're also saying that anyone who joins the class or who joins the live call or live lecture will have their microphones muted until they want to speak. That is when they will have to unmute to speak. All right, so you can add other participants as using rules. So you can add based on whether they are teachers or students. Okay, but in this case, we are saying all enrolled users should be added. So you can also restrict to a particular group, but in this case, we are allowing everybody. So we just click on add and return to. And that's it. We've added our live lecture. When you click, it will allow you to join the session. So you can join the session and then you can begin teaching your class. So you just allow your microphone to work. Good. So I'm ready to begin my live lecture. So I can write and have my tools and write on the board. So I can write, I can draw, and type. That is how beautiful it is. Okay, and then you can start recording. Click on start recording. You can put on your camera. You can put on your microphone. So you can mute and unmute. You can put on your camera. You can share your screen with your students and they see whatever you are doing. You can upload documents. For instance, you can upload PowerPoint documents. You can share a YouTube video and all that. Okay, it's awesome. All right, let's go and try Google Meet. So let's go back. Google Meet, similar, click on add an activity or resource and you choose the Google Meet activity. You can give it a name. You can call this Google Meet lecture. Then we can set the event date. We can make it a recurring meeting. So you can set that every Monday you should repeat from 7 to 9, 7 to 9:30 every Monday, starting from 30th August. We should repeat until, let's say, December. So we can generate a URL. So in this case, you would have to tie it to a Gmail account or your official university account, a valid university account. So you can use, let me just use this Gmail account. Okay, so this is not authorized, so I would have to use my VVU account. So I'll just click on this and then log into that account. Log into my university account. Okay, so I need to generate a room URL. Okay, so this is a multi-factor authentication, just for security reasons. Okay, let me quickly do that so that we can continue. Okay, so I have authenticated and then my room URL has been created. So this is what you can share with the students. Maybe on their WhatsApp or Telegram groups, you can copy and share with them. And you can notify them as well. When you are done, you click on Save, Return. If everything is fine, you will have your Google Meet also created. When you click, you can join, and when you record the videos, the recordings appear here. Okay, you can sync this with your Google Drive. So let's click to enter the room. So we can switch account to whichever account we use, which will be your VVU account, and then you can actually join the live lecture. So let me just authenticate so that we can continue. Okay, so I have authenticated, so I can now join the meeting, and then I can share my screen. I can see participants. I can chat with students. Okay, there are so many things you can do. And have your whiteboard. Okay, so and you can write. All right, so that is how to add your video conference or Big Blue Button and Google Meet to your Moodle website. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. See you in the next one.